This is a microcar. It is very tiny and easy to drive in small streets. Hi, I drive a city car. It is small and easy to park. It is perfect for busy city streets. This is my hatchback. The back door opens up. I can put bags and books inside. This is a subcompact car. It is very small and saves fuel. This is a compact car. It is small but has enough space for my family. This is a coupe. It has 2 doors and looks sporty. This is a convertible. The roof opens. I can enjoy fresh air while driving. This is a sports car. It is fast and powerful. This is a sedan. It has 4 doors and a big trunk. It is good for families. This is a liftback. The back door lifts up. It has more space inside. This is a fastback. The back is slanted. It looks modern and sporty. This is a wagon. It has a long body and large cargo space. This is a crossover. It feels like a car, but looks like an SUV. This is a compact SUV. It is higher than a car and good for families. This is a hybrid car. It uses gas and electricity. This is an electric car. It runs only on battery power. This is a mid-size SUV. It has more seats and space. This is a full-size SUV. It is very big and strong. This is a luxury SUV. It is very comfortable and premium. This is an off-road SUV. It can drive on dirt and rocks. This is a pickup truck. It has a large open back. This is a crew cab pickup. It has 4 doors and extra seats. This is an extended cab pickup. It has a small back seat. This is a minivan. It is perfect for many passengers. This is a passenger van. It carries many people. This is a cargo van. It carries goods and packages. This is a panel van. It has closed sides for safety. This is a camper van. You can sleep and travel in it. This is a motorhome. It has a bed and kitchen inside. This is a shuttle bus. It moves people short distances. This is a box truck. It carries large items. This is a dump truck. It carries sand and rocks. This is a tow truck. It pulls broken cars. This is a garbage truck. It collects trash. This is a cement mixer truck. It mixes concrete. This is a tanker truck. It carries liquid like fuel. This is a flatbed truck. It carries large machines. This is a semi-truck. It pulls a long trailer. This is a snowplow. It clears snow from roads. This is a road roller. It makes the road flat. This is a forklift. It lifts heavy boxes. This is a bulldozer. It pushes soil and rocks. This is a backhoe loader. It digs the ground. This is a fire engine. We use it to stop fires. This is an ambulance. It takes sick people to the hospital.